Sobrang Latina na beauty queen, touring sintaas ng building, tatalunin. From Bolivia to Pampanga, ang reyna walang takot nakakasa sa adventure kung saan ang premyo ay hindi corona, kung hindi ang once-in-a-lifetime experience na makapigil hininga. Mga kapuso, your Friday Amazing Adventure begins now. Naiuwi niya ang corona nitong February bilang Reyna Hispano-Americana 2025. Sobrang Latina with a heart naman yan. At ngayon, kakasa siya sa challenge na susubok sa kanyang tapang. Isang 50-foot wall na kailangan niyang akyatin at talunin.
Dong, kaya yan! Ako ang reynang walang inuurungan. Yung expectations ko, for sure, mahirap talagang wall climbing kasi mataas yung wall.
Tara! Let's climb this wall!
Super takot ako sa heights. Ang strategy ko para sa challenge natin, especially yung wall climb, is to make sure to take my time, pace myself, so I can reserve my stamina. The whole time, yung pinofocus ko talaga is to grip the stones kasi ang haba ng nails ko, diba? So, it was a combination of trying to fix my feet and where to reach. Honestly, sumakit yung braso ko because I was not using my legs. Ah! Ginagamit ko talaga yung arms ko mostly. So, I had to stop and make sure to take a break and breathe.
Okay, I can't give up.
I can't give up just yet. Lapit na ako. Don't stop and make sure you finish that challenge.
Woo! Dito na ako sa taas!
Yung main feeling ko talaga was I'm so accomplished. I did it and I conquered my fear kahit super takot ako.
Nice one, Dia. Pero kailangan niyang talunin ang Adventure Tower.
Nakakatakot! Ang taas! Wait! Para sa akin, feeling ko mas mahirap talaga ang free fall. Pero, you know, everyone was encouraging me. So, I closed my eyes. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Tapos, I stepped off it and then, ayun. Oh my God! Oh my God! It was very safe and fun lang. I just felt like I was flying.
We did it! We did it! Woo! We did it! I conquered my fear of heights! I did it!
Pero hindi pa natatapos ang extreme challenge si Dia. Abangan.
Let's do this! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Grace under pressure, yan ang ipinamalas kanina ng beauty queen na si Dia Mate sa kanyang wall climbing at free fall challenge. This time, mapanindigan kaya niya ang kanyang voice at confidence sa roller coaster zipline.
Hi guys! So, nandito pa tayo sa Sandbox Pampanga para kumpletuhin ang Adrenaline Junkie Adventure ko. We're doing the zipline roller coaster.
Heads up, Dia. Ito ang Avatar 1, ang kauna-unahang roller coaster zipline sa bansa.
Oh my God!
Hindi ka lang magsizip, bababa sa 180-meter na course, magzizigzag ka rin habang nakalambitin ng 40 feet sa ere.
Akala ko chill lang. Kasi mukhang masaya. Yung unang drop pa lang, sumigaw ako. Nagulat ako na parang yung feeling na baka mahulog ako.
Mabilis pala pero kita ko lahat ng Pampanga dito! Ah! Ay!
Masaya yung parang pag-ikot, yung curve part kasi you can see all of Pampanga and you can see the views of the place. I would totally recommend this to all of my family and friends because it's a good group activity sa mga barkada, sa mga pamilya. And of course, once in a lifetime experience to with Amazing Earth.
We did the super high wall climbing, we did the free fall, and then we did this roller coaster zip line. Woo! Thank you, Amazing Earth!
Yan si Diamante, ang matapang na reyna mula sa Cavite.